Finexo is a personal financial management mobile application which is designed and developed to address the gaps in personal financial management process. The whole purpose behind Finexo is to help people in managing their income and expenses by capturing the transaction messages they receive from their banks, to help them understand the pattern of their income and expenses using graphical representation and analysis, and to help them in setting up their future financial goals. During the process of creating the user profile, the user should enter the contact number that they are receiving transaction messages from their bank accounts, and if the correct account number is entered, Finexo will save it in the backend system. And once when the transaction SMS is received, Finexo will capture and identify the account number and will categorize expense, income and promotions messages and will update the overview page and the promotions page accordingly. Once the user downloads the application and opens it, the user will be navigated to the register screen where they could sign up to the system. In order to create a user profile, the user should enter all the required details, and most importantly, the contact number should be the number that they are receiving the transaction messages. Upon clicking the Save button, a user profile will be created and the user will be navigated to the overview page. Once the user revisits the application, the user will be directed to the login page where they could enter their login credentials and simply log into the system. Upon login, the user will be directed to the overview page where they could view a summary of today's expenditure, total savings and the bank account details. This is the profile screen, and this is a navigation pane where the user could see all the features that they could perform. In order to add a bank account, the user should navigate to the account screen and enter all the details accordingly. Once an account is added, it will be displayed in the overview page and in the accounts page as well. Upon adding an account, the system will identify the account number, save it, and also it will recognize if it's a credit card or a debit card, and will update the overview page upon receiving a transaction message. This is a cash deposit message that is received by the mobile number, and once the system identifies the account number, the existing balance of the respective bank account, and the today's expenditure and the total savings values in the overview page will be updated upon refreshing the page. This is a cash withdrawal message that is received by the system, and again, once the system identifies the account number, the existing balance of the respective bank accounts, the total expenditure summary and the total savings values in the overview page will be updated. In order to view the graphical analysis of their income and expenses, the user should navigate to the report screen where they could filter the reports that they need to view as withdrawals, deposits, withdrawals versus deposits, and also they could obtain a transaction analysis report for their credit cards and debit card transactions. This is a promotions message that is received by the bank. This will be updated in the promotions screen. The user could filter the credit and debit card promotions as per their requirement by filtering them accordingly. The user could set either a savings or an expenditure goal by navigating to the goal screen. A goal is a target which is usually driven by a specific future financial need. The added goal will appear under the current goal filter, whereas once a goal is achieved, it will be displayed under the Achieve Goal filter. Once 70% of the goal is achieved, the user will be notified in the Overview page. And once when the goal is achieved, it will be displayed under the Achieved Goals filter in the Goal screen. If the user needs to waive their transactions for a particular duration of time, the user could navigate to the transaction screen and filter the required details accordingly. This is the advertisement screen which will be implemented in future implementations where a bank could push the advertisement in order to create awareness among their clients based on the goals that is set by the user in the Finexo application. The overall flow of the functionality is demonstrated for the Finexo application, and it is clear how Finexo help people to manage their personal finances, mainly their income and expenses, and to be aware on their financial background. Finexo is a personal financial management